So you clicked this video because your iPhone speakers are dirty, I'm guessing. I'm going to use this one as a demo model and show you how to clean them up. So keep watching. Okay, so if your iPhone speakers are muffly, mumbling, crackly, anything of the sort, before you go and get them replaced, I'd probably recommend that you just check these little holes, see what you can do in the way of clearing them out. I'm going to show you a couple of techniques in that, so keep watching. And I'll also show you just what it looks like inside the phone, so you've got a good idea of exactly how you need to clean it. A lot of people use air compressors. It's something that's going to blow it back in, even blowing into the phone, which don't do. Just going to want to get an old toothbrush, preferably a dirty one that you're not going to be using again. And you're doing a push down action and slide across. And maybe a little flick up as well while you're at it. And as you see, as you work away, these holes will just clear out as you go. Let's take a sec to look at this from the inside. You can see once I remove the speaker and gain access to the inside part of where the speaker is, there's a little plastic piece you have to remove, and then you can see there's a metal grill. If I lift that up and give you a closer look, and if I shine a torch from the inside out, you can see it's really obvious that the holes block up. But enough of this technical jargon. Let's jump back into the next step. Now for the really stubborn pieces of dirt and pocket lint and grime and whatever else that is stuck in here, you want to grab yourself just a little bobby pin, tiny little guy like this, and we just pick away very gently. Try and move into some better light. You can see the stuff flying out there. What you're doing is basically just scratching the little mesh that's inside there, but I don't want to poke through it because that'll stop protecting any further dirt in the future from going through if we can keep that intact. And there's not really much more to it, so if this is helping you, please hit that like button. That's just down here somewhere. And I do have another video on cleaning out this port as well. I'll add that somewhere up here. Feel free to check that one out. It's pretty detailed. But otherwise, yeah, there's not much more to this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.